Sorry. Hi everybody. Welcome to my channel. I appreciate you coming and hanging out with me today. Today's going to be a little simple, easy one. We're just going to do an oil change today. Bought the bike, it had 4,000 miles, it had 4,008 miles on it. I'm now sitting at 8,516 miles. It was 5,800 miles. I went and I had the oil changed. And the reason was because, I bought it used, and I kind of wanted to have a second opinion on the bike, like have another mechanic look at it besides the shop I bought it from. Just kind of have somebody just validate that, yeah, hey, this is a decent bike. And the mechanic even said to me, he was like, you could just do this oil change yourself. It's really easy. And I was like, yeah, I know I could. I've changed the oil in my truck a million times, and I used to work at my dad's tire shop. I used to do oil changes all the time for all kinds of stuff, so I know I have the ability to do it. That wasn't the thing. Again, it was just like I just wanted somebody to kind of give it a once over, just kind of give me their blessing. Say, yeah, this is a nice clean bike. And then he told me, he's like, yeah, you're not due for service again until 4,000 miles. He's like, so you don't need to change your oil between now and then. And the 12,000 mile service on these Triumphs is a big one. It's the valve job. So yeah, it's just under 3,000 miles. So I figured it's time. Let's just do it. That way I can get it knocked out before the 12,000 mile service. And I went to Cycle Gear, got the motor oil and the oil filter. So anyway, I got all the tools ready, got all the parts ready at the house. So right now I'm out warming the bike up before we drain the oil out of it. So I just wanted to take a little trip down the hill, get the motor nice and warm, get all that oil nice and warm, and get it so that it'll dump out of the bike a lot easier. So I'm just knocking that out here real quick. Just gonna go down to the bottom of the hill and back. The weather is fantastic. It's been hot all week, and this morning we were blessed with this amazing overcast, which has really dumped the temperature down quite a bit, to the point where I'm only going 60 because I'm actually kind of freezing right now. I'm wearing like a tank top, and I don't have the liner in my jacket because it's been hot this week. So as I'm ripping through this cooler weather, I am getting a little cold. Shoot down to the bottom of the hill real quick. I'm going to shoot back up the hill to the house and start the oil change. So I'll meet you there. If only I had the strength to bake some muffins. Told you it was going to be very fast. I don't know why you don't listen to Mama.
It was not that bad. Pretty easy, pretty quick. Saved myself a couple $100 doing it myself. So there it is, oil changed. I can do it, you can do it, because I'm a big idiot. Tomorrow, bike wash.